Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 27th, 2023, and we're looking at, you guessed it, the pomegranates. Okay, we've got a few of them that grew to about this size. They're still trying to get bigger, but as it stands, they haven't really done a whole lot of impressive stuff. This one over here actually seems to have shriveled and died. There's another one up there, did the same thing. And this is unfortunate because I was looking forward to having a few very mature pomegranates. But here we have a nice mature pomegranate. It's not terribly large, but it's not done growing either, so we'll see what happens there. Now, the health of the pomegranate trees, they seem to be pretty decently healthy. I mean, they've been getting rain all year. They have the right soil conditions. They look green for the most part, rather than this light green. I think the reason for that light green is the soil down here. This is an old fire pit location, so the soil has a lot of ash in it, so that could be the reason why these look the way they do. But over here it starts to get back to green for the most part. We could, if we, oh, look at that. Is this that one's still growing too. We could, if we wanted to, take these flowers as they grow and stick a Q-tip in there and just go from this plant over to the flowers on the next plant, and then back over to this plant, and so on and so forth, and cross-pollinate to try to force pollination. That actually does work very well. But for now, we're just letting nature do what nature does. Anyhow, folks, let's take a look at our other location where we have a different type of pomegranate growing. Here's our other location. Let me remove the teepees. Now here we have an adolescent. It's going to continue to get taller. This one is a survivor. I basically neglected this area for quite some time. And the ones that you see left are the strong ones, and that's what I like. So that's the benefit of neglecting a location and also fighting the good fight in numbers. I planted probably close to 1,000 seeds here, and this is what we have left to talk about. But this is supposed to be a much darker interior as far as the flesh goes inside that is edible, which means that it should be a lot sweeter than the variety that you saw out over in the beginning of this video. Hopefully going forward, this location brings the results we're looking for. It's in a less sunlit area, which I'm hoping makes a positive difference for these pomegranates. But we're going to find out together whether or not that happens. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of all of our pomegranates. Have a great day.